Now, your StormTracker Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Sam Parish.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, we had a warm afternoon across the area with some places getting into the low 80s for afternoon highs. Right now in Baton Rouge, we're looking at a nice tower cam shot up to the north and west. Currently, it's sitting at 75 degrees. The dew point's up there at 67, and it's all because it's ahead of a storm system that's still out to the west. You can see some thunderstorms developing along this boundary on our exclusive live Viper, now moving into southwestern parts of Wilkinson County in southwestern Mississippi. You can see quite a bit of lightning activity with this particular cell, and also it extends back further to the south and west. And we're going to see these showers and thunderstorms through the evening and overnight hours. Rainfall amounts so far have not all been that impressive so far, generally around a trace to around 200 so far. But you can see on the threat map, there is a risk of some of these storms being severe, especially up towards Point Capee and Westfield Parish, and also in Wilkinson County in southwestern Mississippi. So we'll keep an eye on it, but we're not expecting a big widespread severe weather event with this particular system. Right now we're looking at temperatures in the upper 60s over in Kentwood and Hammond to lower 70s elsewhere. Wind speeds have been on the impressive side today, generally around 30 miles per hour, at times gusting up close to 40 miles an hour. Over there in Henderson earlier, 30 in Liberty right now, 30 in Baton Rouge, 33 in Plaquemine. Satellite view shows part of this is part of a bigger storm system that's moving across the Mississippi Valley, extending up into the Ohio River Valley. All of this energy is moving off towards the east, northeast with this upper level low. And once the system goes by, we're going to go back into a drier pattern as well as a milder pattern into the weekend, with the winds aloft blowing from west to east across our area and no big storm systems on the horizon. However, that means the cold air is going to be building once again in the northern states, and so that cold air has somewhere to go, and it will be towards us as we go towards the middle and latter part of February. That's currently the way we're thinking on the teleconnections with the jet stream. In the meantime, temperatures tonight are going to be in the 60s with that front moving through, taking with it the showers by tomorrow morning with lows in the 60s. And then tomorrow afternoon, highs in the mid-70s on south to westerly winds. And then as we go into Sunday, or Saturday morning, I should say, lows in the 40s across the area. And then Saturday afternoon, lots of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 60s, another nice day. And rainfall amounts are generally going to be around a half an inch to an inch in some of the heavier cells with the storms tonight. And then as we look at the next 7 days, Sunday looks pretty nice as well for your Groundhog Day. So unfortunately, that means he sees his shadow, which means 6 more weeks of winter officially. But with temperatures like this in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees, hopefully winter will be far a distant memory. But we do have some chances of showers into the early part of next week. All right, that's a look at the forecast. Let's find out what's going on later on tonight on News Nation.